Breakdowns are very costly to the customer itself. If you don't have the right service team looking after your equipment, it's going to cost you in the long run. CAPS can offer a variety of service packages that can maintain your equipment, so you get reliable compressed air day in, day out. We offer an essential service package, comprehensive service package, and basically a full package, which is a complete service package. We offer 24/7 emergency breakdown for all our clients. Rebuilds, we overhaul all machines. Doesn't matter what the compressor is, if it's Ingersoll Rand, Atlas Copco, Compare, we rebuild a whole lot. Plus we rebuild generators and we also rebuild blowers. We deal with from your little handyman industries, like when I say industries, like a little handyman, your chippies, your day-to-day chippies, all the way through to multinational companies in the mining sector as well. We can work with absolutely anyone.